Now this is the second video. I've drawn the set of contours showing a valley. Now you can see, please note boys, now here inside is the lowest value. This is the 100 contour, 100 meter, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400 and this is 500. Please write this properly. Inside is lowest, outside is highest. If you do the opposite, then the whole feature is going to be a different feature totally, right? Alright, so I've drawn the section line AB. Same way, I take the points where the section line is cutting the contours. I take this point, all these points where the section line is cutting the contours, right? Now I draw, and sorry, here I draw the vertical scale. Same way I take 1 centimeter, and in your 1 centimeter I've taken each 1 centimeter, and in your notebook you'll draw 5 millimeter. You will not take 1 centimeter because you'll get a distorted feature otherwise. You'll take 5 millimeter. Here I've taken 1 centimeter for you to understand. Otherwise it would become very small. And then I mark it. Here 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Now why I take 600? Because 500 is the highest. So I always take one high over here, extra, the convenience of drawing. And I draw these horizontal lines. I'm not drawing it dark. You can see I've drawn it with a pencil. Otherwise it becomes very untidy. By now you know what to do. I've drawn all the horizontal lines from here. So it will be easier for you to draw. Now I draw the vertical lines from here. I draw the vertical lines. I'll start from here. Alright, I'll draw the vertical lines from here. See, cutting that, there are this, that is 500 contour. This is the 400 contour. This is the 300 contour. This is the 200 contour. This is the 100 contour. This is 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Now I write the values over here. 500, seeing from here 400, 300, 200 and 100. Again the same contour comes back. 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Right? Now I just draw the points. See, 500 and 500. I take this point. 500 and 500. Next is 400 and 400. This point. Next 300 and 300. This point. 200 and 200. I take this point. And 100 and 100. I take this point. Same 100 and 100 here. 200 and 200. Take this point. 300 and 300. I take this point. 400 and 400. I take this point. 500 and 500. I take this point. And now I join it freehand. You are not supposed to use scale. Please, you are supposed to join it freehand. You are supposed to join it freehand. And now what feature you get? You have a valley over here. Please note boys, the contours must always be drawn freehand and this cross section freehand. The rest you have to use a scale. These can never be drawn with the scale, the contour lines and the section line. Hope you understood. Now you're going to draw this in your notebook. If you have already drawn before, then please see whether it's correct. Don't draw it again. If you have already drawn it before, don't draw it again. See whether it's correct.